Bogey, go say hi.
Hi, Bogart. I just balloon. I just balloon. Hi, Swazi.
I'm just waiting for Swazi to like try and bite one. Ah, Bogart's scared of it. Look at he like look at
Ready? Ready? Get it, boy. Get it. Bogart. Bogart. Behind you. Bogart. Bogart. Wait. Bogart. Ready, Bogart? Bogart. Get it. Yeah. No, get it, boy. Get it.
He's smart.
Ready? Ready? Get it. Get it. Yeah. Ready? 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 Bogart. 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 Will you get it? No? Okay. Bogart. Bogart. Oh, you want the big one? You want the big one? Yeah, you got it! Pop it, pop it! No!
Oh, I don't know if they'll scare him. It'd scare me if
I'll dump one of them. Just see how they act.
Okay. That wasn't bad at all. Yeah, but imagine that going off in your mouth.
Oh, that happened to me. That one was really loud.
Good boy, Bogart. He didn't freak out. Oh, did you do that?
No, it just popped out. It almost popped out like that, but...
That's so funny.
Okay, I'm gonna